And Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko now wants Speaker Beatrice Elachi barred from assuming the office of the governor. Now, terming Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti's ruling unconstitutional, Sonko wants the Court of Appeal to reverse the decision, as it was a violation of the right of innocence until proven guilty. Well, let's get more from our very own Stephen Leto.
In a 38-page affidavit, embattled Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko poured cold water on the magistrate's court ruling that has barred him from office. Sonko says, quote, "The magistrate condemned me unheard by barring me from office and blocked me from executing my constitutional duties, thus violating my rights on presumption of innocence," end quote. And with the absence of a deputy governor, the ruling by Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti technically raising the issue of whether or not the office of the governor of Nairobi is vacant. That technicality, viewed by the governor as giving leeway to wild constitutional interpretations, including having the Speaker of the County Assembly, Beatrice Elachi, take over. To block any eventuality, Sonko says in his affidavit, in light of the unconstitutionality of the Honorable Douglas Ogoti ruling purporting to bar me from office of Nairobi City County Governor, I'm convinced that the Speaker of the Nairobi County Assembly ought to be barred from assuming the office of the governor. The governor's move to court coming amid intensifying push to having impeached by the County Assembly, a move that will seal his entry fate. Through his lawyer Harrison Kinyanjoe, Sonko is also pushing for damages from the office of the DPP as well as the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission over the manner of his arrest in Voi. According to Sonko, he was treated as a fugitive of law without any form of courtesy, notwithstanding the fact that he was a duly elected governor of the city of Nairobi. He says he was treated like a condemned criminal without being accorded his constitutional rights. He adds that the brutal arrest was intended to intimidate and harass him, an act that he claims does not befit an elected governor. Sonko had been scheduled to appear before the Voi law courts today to answer to assault charges and resisting arrest, but the defiant governor was a no-show. His lawyers claiming the governor's health situation was worsening and that he couldn't travel to Voi. He is now required to appear in person on the 21st of January next year. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.